They lost Crocs and shoes and everything.
Yeah.
And trunks were floating everywhere, so they came into our cabin, and someone told me that when they were walking around campgrounds, that they saw that cabin 5, which was the cabin right next to Brock's, their wall had fallen over.
And my door, like flooded away.
I mean, with the amount of destruction, it is possible to not go back next year. But
how do you feel if...
Well, I wake up like 4 in the morning. I hear screaming from outside later on I find out that someone's cabin flooded and they were outside in the middle of rain.
We jumped up to another bed, like a top bunk, and like our bed starting tipping over, and like we got to the top really quick, and then we like this, and then like one of the walls like fall down, and then we had to jump. Yeah, we had to jump.